Welcome to my channel, Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nathan here, and today I've come with a problem from optics. It's TIR and variable refractive index. Guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together, and you can access my theory courses which are of advanced plus level for boosting your J preparation. You can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nathan sir. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. For more info, you can visit www.unacademy.com. And here is the problem statement. The refractive index of a prism is as a function of y. Mu is equal to root of 4y plus 1. Observe the ray diagram and answer the following questions. Equation of path of the ray in the prism and coordinates of point P. So you can see here this is the coordinate we have to figure out, and this equation we have to find out here. The value of angle alpha and beta, this angle is alpha and this angle is beta, and finally this light ray is going in this direction, so we have to find the value of mu1 using this data. Alright, so here concept wise we can say when refractive index is changing with y coordinate, then the normals will be drawn parallel to y axis, because this is how these thin slabs will be there. So this is the normal here, and you can say if this angle is theta, I can write tan theta as dy by dx, and mu y is given as root of 4y plus 1. So it's a case of grazing emergence type of situation here. You can take mu air, this is air, mu air sine 90 is equal to mu y cos theta. So cos theta is 1 by mu y, or I can write this tan theta is root of sec square theta minus 1. So if I substitute the value here, I'll be getting dy by dx as root of 4y, which is dy by root 2y. We can separate the variable, is equal to 2dx. Then we can just simply integrate both sides, 0 to general y and 0 to general x, and we will be getting, on simplification, y is equal to x square. Such a nice equation we are going to get. This is the equation of refracted ray. Now in order to find coordinates of point P, we need to see here this equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 6, and this is the parabola y equal to x squared. So wherever these two are intersecting, that is going to be the point P. So intersection of these two points, these two curves, it will give us x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. So coordinates of point P is going to be 2 comma 4. Alright, now after this you can see here the tan alpha is slope of tangent on this y equal to x square at 2 comma 4. So tan alpha value will be directly known to us, and this angle is going to be 90 minus beta, and this is alpha, this 45. So sum of these three will be 180 degrees. So that's how we are going to calculate alpha and beta values. So here you can check tan alpha is dy by dx at point P. So that is going to be 2x, and x equal to 2. If you substitute, tan alpha is going to be 4. Such a nice answer. Similarly, 90 minus beta plus alpha plus 45 is equal to 180 degree, or beta we are going to get as alpha minus 45. Now we can take tan both sides, and when I substitute the value and simplify, I'm going to get this value as tan beta is equal to 3 by 5. And for mu1, you can see in this prism, this light ray is coming here and going like this, so it's like TIR is happening at this point. So mu prism sine beta is equal to mu1 into sine of 90. So mu p we can find out from root of 4y plus 1. This is the refractive index of prism. So y is 4. So root 17 and sine beta value we can substitute from here, 3 by 24, root 34. So mu1 value will come out to be 3 by root 2. So this is going to be the final answer, all parts together. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this problem, and if that is the case, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it. And yes, this information regarding UCL, you can meet Sachin Tendulkar in this, and final stage test is happening on November 28th, 1 p.m. onwards. You can enroll now, and for enrolling you can use my invite code, which is Nathan sir, or anywhere it is asking for some invite code or passcode, you can use this. It is UCL Champions League. A lot of prizes are there, guys, for rank 1, 2, 3, and 4 to 10. So these are the cash prizes as well as the scholarships. And other than that is you can participate and you can win MacBook Air, laptop, Apple Watches, and Amazon Echo Dot, and many other things. So please participate, and you have the chances to win all these. So that's it, guys, in today's video. Thank you.